In today's video, we will share some tips and tricks to help you optimize your iPhone Wi-Fi setting for better connection speed, reliability, and security. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorial. Let's dive in. Step 1. Keep your Wi-Fi and iOS up to date. First, make sure your Wi-Fi router firmware and your iPhone iOS are up to date. Updates often include performance improvement and security enhancement, so it's essential to keep both your router and iPhone on the current situation. Step 2. Enable auto join for trusted network. How to do this? Go to the setting and then tap Wi-Fi. You can tap on the eye icon next to your preferred network. Then toggle on auto join to ensure your iPhone automatically connects to that network when it's in range. Step 3. Use the 5GSG network. If your router supports dual-band Wi-Fi, you can connect to 5GSG network for faster speed and less interference. The 5GSG network is usually labeled with 5G or 5GSG in the network name. Step 4. Disable Wi-Fi assist. Wi-Fi assist can cause your iPhone to switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data, leading to slower connection and increased data usage. To disable Wi-Fi assist, you can go to the setting and then select cellular and scroll down to find Wi-Fi assist. Then, if you already found the Wi-Fi assist, toggle it off. Step 5. Forget unnecessary network. You can remove any unnecessary network from your iPhone to prevent it from automatically connecting to them. Go to Setting and then tap Wi-Fi. Then you can tap the eye icon next to the network you want to forget, and then tap Forget this network. If you want to forget it, you can confirm it by tap on Forget. Step 6. Enable private address. For increased privacy and security, you can enable the private address feature. This prevents network operator from tracking your iPhone. To enable this feature, go to Setting and then select Wi-Fi. You can tap the eye icon next to the network and toggle on the private address. With these tips and tricks, you can optimize your iPhone Wi-Fi setting for better connectivity, speed, and security. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!